shooting the Henry. Good shot.
Job.
High. Nice work. Good shot, Jay. Aimed perfect.
Wait, I don't think I'm looking.
It has to be perfect.
Nice shot, man.
Yep, it's in there. Put your finger on the trigger until you got it aimed. Yeah.
Nice one.
I think you figured it out.
Okay.
Is this fun, guys?
Yeah.
Your first rifles. Do you think you'd get something like that for Christmas?
No. Oh wait, there it is.
Mhm. Get it locked in. Let's turn this. Looks like it. It's okay.
But you didn't toss it away.
Good shot. You got it figured out, Jackson. You're figuring it out too.
Again.
If you can hit it every time, we need to move the target back. All right, hold on.
I'm gonna try to do it standing up.
Okay.
Let me move back up a bit more.
Watch out for the hammer. Don't get the hammer in the eye. Good job. Keep it pointed downrange. Okay. Missed it high.
Does it like hit one of those trees back there?
Yeah, I mean, it goes way back, but we're shooting straight downhill. Good work. All right. Keep it pointed in a safe direction. Okay, open the breech. Well, squeeze the trigger really slow. That's part of learning. If you squeeze the trigger too fast, then you'll jerk the gun and you'll miss high. Or to the side sometimes. Don't get frustrated. Aim better. That's because the handle's not all the way shut. There you go. Now cock it back right here. Aim good. Get your head down lower. Nice work. Good job. Proud of you. Close the handle. Okay. Good. See where you need to aim now? Yeah! More fun when you're hitting the target, isn't it? Got a little excitement. Yes! Yeah, you hit the bottom left. Good work. Not sure where that one went. Nice and slow. Yes. Oh, professional. Oh. You gonna do more? The Jackman. Shooting the evil Roy. Take your time. Good shot. Yeah!
Bang the table to get it into its thing. Did that hit
Yep,
that?
it did. All right. What you think?
I don't know.
Did you hit the target a lot?
Yeah, maybe 20 times. I'm 20 and my sister's 10, 11. Yeah, there's some new ones. Okay, that was definitely from me.
Good job. You like it?